once we are done with making the white cross, like this, white cross is done. The next step is we'll solve the corners of the white layer. Corners, this one, this one, this one, and this one. We'll solve these corners, and then the first layer will get complete. This is the first layer, it will get complete. So just to show you, how will the first layer look like after it is done. So the first layer after it is done will look like this. On all the sides, in the first layer, the bottom layer, all these three pieces are same. These three pieces are same. Ignore all the colors, only look at the first layer. Three pieces are same, and this two are matching. These three are same, these two are matching. These three are same, these two are matching. So you will basically have a T shape on all the layers. T shape like this. This is also a T shape. Ignore this piece. We are only looking at this layer and this piece. T shape, T shape, T shape, like this. So now see how to solve it. Okay. So we want to solve all the corners, and so keep the white cross on bottom. White cross on bottom. And now find a white corner piece on the top layer. What is a white corner piece? White corner piece is a corner piece in which a white color is there. This is a white corner piece. This is also a white corner piece. So you can call it a red corner piece, green corner piece, or white corner piece, because we need white color. So we will call it a white corner piece. This is not a white corner piece. This is not a white corner piece because it doesn't have the white. So what we are trying to do is we want to fix these pieces. Okay. So first, before fixing it, we must know what color piece should come here at this place. See, this is green, so all the color should be green in this side. This is orange center, so all the color should be orange at this side. This is white center, so all the color should be white. So now we know this piece will be white, this piece will be orange, or this piece will be green. So we want a white, orange and green piece here. White, orange and green piece on this place. So now this, using this way, we can find what color piece will come at what place. We also know about this. This will be red, green and white. So similarly, we can find the place of all the pieces. So find a corner piece on the top layer. Keep the white cross on bottom. And then see, so I have this corner piece, white corner piece, I have this corner piece. You can pick any one, start from any one. I am picking this one. See what are the other two colors apart from white in this corner piece. The other two colors are orange and green. So note down those two colors, remember those two colors, and then bring this corner piece between those two color centers. See, this is red and green, this is orange and green. Yeah, I don't want to keep it here. This is green and orange, this is green and orange. Yeah, this is where I want to keep this piece. So find a white corner piece and keep it or bring it between the other two color centers. Other two colors are orange and green. So orange and green, like this. Bring it between them. Now, why we have brought this piece here? Because we want white, green and orange piece here. That is why we have brought that piece just on top of that place. Now we will bring this piece from here to here. How to do it? One more thing. In this piece, see which side is white. In this corner piece, see which side is white. Either the white will be on top, front or right side. So top, front or right. If white is on top, do this. Always keep that white corner piece towards the top right corner in front of you. This is the top right corner. Top right corner. Always keep it like this in front of you. And then do R, U, R prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime. So when you do this step, when the white was on top, if you do this step, see this corner piece is solved. Now we'll solve the other corner piece. So again find a white corner piece on the top layer. I have this one and this one. So let's pick any one. I'm picking this one. In this again, what are the other two colors apart from white? They are blue and orange. Blue and orange. So take this corner piece between blue and orange. This is the only step we need to do. Find a white corner piece and take it between the other two color centers. Between should be like this. In between. These are the two colors, green and orange. So green and orange. You have to bring it between these two center colors. And now see which side is white. White is on top, front or right. If white is on top, we will do R, U, R prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime. And this piece will get solved. Now once again, so let's see a case where you have white on the right side. See, okay, so what are the other two colors apart from white? I have picked this corner piece. Other two colors are red and green, so I will take it between red and green like this. And then see in this corner piece which side is white, top, front or right. Right side is white. If right side is white, then simply do R, U, R prime. This is simple step, R, U, R prime. And see, this corner piece is solved. So always you need to remember is keep the white cross on bottom. You don't need to move it. Always. And now one more case when white is in front. See, these are blue and red. I have already brought it between blue and red centers like this. Now we will see the white is in front. When white is in front, you have to do U, R, U prime, R prime. And see this corner piece is also solved. Okay, so now see the first layer is finished. This is completely solved. Now there is one more case. You might find this case sometimes that you don't have any of the white corner pieces on the top layer. See, none of the corner pieces, white corner pieces on the top layer, and the first layer is not yet solved. So what to do? This corner piece is solved, this one is solved, this one is not solved. White is here but it is not solved. Solved means it doesn't have the right color. It should be red and green. This is not solved, this is also not solved. So we will pick any one unsolved white corner piece and take it on top layer. So we will always take the white corner pieces on top layer and then solve it. So these two corner pieces are stuck on the bottom, we will take it on top. So how to take it on top? We can simply do R, U, R prime. Again, so if you want to take a stuck piece, because this is not the right place of this piece, this is red and green, so we want this red and green piece at this place. So I will do R, U, R prime. R, U, R prime. So that piece has come on the top. It has come on the top. Now we can solve it. See what are the other two colors apart from white, red and green. Red and green, bring it between those two corner pieces, and then see which side is white. White is on the right side, so I can do R, U, R prime, and this corner piece is also solved. Yeah. So these are all the cases which will be there while you will be solving the corners of the first layer. So see, the first layer is done, and in the first layer you have this, you should have this T shape, like this T shape. This is also T shape. Ignore these pieces, only look at this color, this shape. It should look like this: green, 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 orange and orange, orange, and red, 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 and red. Only look at this T shape. It should be like this. So this is the first layer done. Thank you.